All right, so over here we're going to put remove everything and put fabric and gravel. Over here, removing all of the debris, the board there, all the rocks, it's all coming out. This retaining wall is coming out, removing the dirt from around there. Gonna put fabric and pins down through here, use all the rocks that are coming out of the bed, and make a nice border of this area. And then installing river rock. This is an added on section we did. We got the whole ground prepped. This is all gonna get fabric, not this. They wanna leave that whole landscape bed all the way along the side still there. This is all gonna get fabric and gravel. We got it edged. Then installed this whole bed right here, dug it out, edged it. It's gonna get fabric as well. Filled in a bit of a ditch there. Ended up grading the tree downwards and compacted it in with the tractor. So this will all be ready. So now we just have to put down the fabric and the edging stones, and it'll be ready to go for some gravel. All right, day 2 for this project. Oh yeah, you can get the fabric, yeah. Day 2 for this project. Got everything cleaned out in the beds. Got everything around the tree graded down. This is their personal project. They're going to realign their walkway up to the house around the new grading. All that's gonna get fabric in the back. We're gonna put the edging stones around here from all of their pile of stuff they had sitting in the beds. This has already been installed. Turned out pretty nicely. We have a little bit more gravel got to put down in the back here. And yeah, we're gonna get started. All right, where's the end of this?
Should be able to find the stone in there. That one might need malleted, but the other ones are able to push down so far.
I think that looks pretty good right here. I'm trying to decide if we should just leave this entire bed 3 feet or not right here. Because I mean, it's gonna get big edging stones.
Yeah, those stones are massive.
Make sure you're not tucking that too far up, like right here. I don't know is that still under the fence, kind of? You want your hiccups to go away, Ben?
10 seconds?
No, I'm just saying you want them to go away.
Well, yeah, well.
I don't know.
I thought you were going to say that hold your breath for 10 seconds.
Oh. Yeah, we should watch all that.
Yeah. Should I take it out, or you think it's... That actually might have worked. That might have worked.
Sorry.
No, that might have saved me, actually.
That's just all the time.
No, I definitely was not expecting that.
Oh, sorry.
I think it worked.
That's why I asked first.
Yeah, no, I think it worked.
Fabric is installed on these beds over here. Now we just need to put the gravel in and use this big stone pile. This came from out of their landscape bed. They want us to take pieces of this and make an edge wall here. So we might do kind of a hybrid, make some of the edging and then leave a spot open, take the gravel to the back, and then finish up the edging.